smell it sometimes. Nah, I'm just playing. But no, I normally use this much canacolon to wrap around. And I actually use probably that much also in the braid, but I'll split it in half before I actually braid. So, and actually for this length, I don't have to add any canacolon to it, so I'm pretty good. So this is pretty long. So I'm gonna show you again what I do. I take my crochet needle and I go through the braid. Turn your head this way for me just a little bit. This is the braid. I go through the base of the braid. Hopefully you can see it. I go through the base of the braid, and then I take it and I slip the hair on, and then I close the hook, and then I pull it through. And you do the same thing for each one. So I leave about probably that much on one side, and then I take this long piece over here and that's what I'm gonna use to wrap. So, and just putting it in there makes it be a little bit more sturdier, a lot more sturdier actually. Some people just wrap and don't actually go through the braid, and then that's how you get dreads or locks that unravel really, really quickly. So for the first few, you know, I probably do like 3 at the base before I start moving down. And once again, that's just so they can stay in and be sturdy. And every so often you want to push them up. And I personally like the canacolon hair better because, as you can see, it's making the, you know, the locks are shinier. The Marley hair, even though it looks more like how our real hair would look, it looks more, I guess the word is rough to me. But you know, some people like that look. Some people like that look natural. That look natural. I'm like, okay. I like the shiny look, me personally. I like the way we're doing it right now with canacolon hair. So I keep on wrapping, y'all. And if ever you want to make an appointment, go ahead and hit me in my inbox. I'm always available. I love people to hit me in my inbox. She actually was like, can you do my hair? I was like, when, girl? She was like, today. I said, come on. She said, yes. So you never know, y'all. You got them hair situations. You know how sometimes we get up in the morning and be like, I want such and such done. Well, hey, call me.
I need this big thing.
So we moving really pretty fast, to be honest with you. So I'm going all the way down the lock. And like I said, once I get down the lock, you want to push them up. And that's actually what creates the, as you can see, it's kind of crinkly. That's what kind of creates the crinkly effect. When you keep wrapping, but then you push them up eventually. That's what makes them look kind of, not curled, but they're just not straight. You know, it gives it a kind of a slight wave pattern. So I'm trying to turn this way and hope everything don't knock down. Alright, so I'm going down to the end. And as you see, that's how I move my finger. I keep wrapping it around. I'm wrapping it around my hand, but my finger is keeping it in place. You're going to keep going. And then once you get near the end, like I said, you can start taking it back up. And again, that's going to lock it in. Even though I do burn the ends, that just locks it in place even further. Because I hate that phone call in the middle of the day like Tynisha. One of my locks then came loose. I hate that phone call. I deal with it and I make sure everything be copacetic, but I'm just, oh. Because nobody want their work coming undone. I mean, I don't. So if it's some that's left over, I'll burn it in. And then sometimes I go up and down the lock. And this is Canacolon hair. Don't ever put no hairspray on nothing, or it's gonna be a situation. So, you know, that's 4 locks that I did so far. So that's what they're looking like so far. Let me take this off to give y'all a better look. Oh, it's upside down. So that's what they look like so far. Those are the 4 that I've done so far. So we're gonna keep on going, y'all. We're gonna be here. I might check in a little bit later. But this is your girl Tynisha doing some faux locks, not goddess locks, faux locks. I don't know why I put goddess locks on there, but I'm doing some faux locks. So yeah, until next time, bye.